Hi, my name is Lily. I love to draw. I love YouTube. So my idea was to basically just combine the two together. So I would say I'm a beginner at drawing, but I hope with these videos we can get better together. For my first drawing, I'm going to try Greg from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. We're going to be drawing Greg from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And yeah, let's just get started with the video. So first we're going to make like a C shape, but we're not going to go all the way around. It's going to be his head. So next, we are going to make the eyes and the nose. So first we're going to start off by just making a little dot right there and a little dot right here. And we're not going to fill that in. We're going to go in right there and in with the nose. Next, we're going to make his classic hair and his classic frown and his ears. First we're going to start off with the hair. We're going to go like a candy cane shape, like this, and then we're going to go straight, make a little, go down, and then go like that. Next, we're going to make the ear, right there. We're going to make the ears kind of like a C shape, but in. Next is a frown. The frown is just going to be a normal stick figure frown. Next, we are going to make the body. This might be hard, so if you're having trouble, ask an adult for help. Gonna go out like that. Gonna go in like this. Gonna go up, not all the way up, and then go down like this, and then let this touch over here. Then we're going to make the shorts. The shorts are going to not be colored in because at the end of the video we're going to do some coloring. Oh, almost forgot to put the hand. Put the hand. It's just a line, and then some squiggly lines right there. Then we're gonna do the shorts, what we already did. Then we're gonna go down for the legs. Stop. Go in. Go up. And then go out like that a little. And go in, go out, go down, and then go in, then go out, and then you're gonna circle it up like that, and do the same for the other leg. Go down, come back up, go down, go out, and circle up. We're not complete without the backpack. Just a little thing like that, and then you go a straight line on the bottom, and then a little cup holder right there, a backpack pouch, zipper, and there you go. This Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So next we're going to be coloring him. At the end you might want to pause the video so you can copy us if you want. So let's just get started with the Okay, so I'm going to be coloring the ground with this, with a pencil. And now, we're almost done with the video. And there we go, we're done with the video for now. If you got stuck on a part, I'm going to show you the steps right now. So yeah, bye. Hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Bye bye.